All right, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mark, Deluxe Motorsports. Today, we got the Midnight Black Edition 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500 with the nasty 5.3 liter V8. I'm talking she makes some power. No, it's not cammed out. No, it doesn't have turbos. It is 100% stock though, I'm just kidding. 5.3 V8, full wheel drive. Truck is lifted 6 inches. Currently on a rough country kit, 20 by 10. Hardcore off-road wheels. I will tell you one thing, chat, right here on the YouTube, it does not have new tires on it yet. They're getting them they're getting put on there tomorrow. A brand new set of 35 Venoms, a 35 1350 20, I believe. I think we're going just about an inch wider on the tire setup. Anyway, back to the truck. 124,000 miles. It is a gorgeous truck, folks. If you guys haven't liked the channel yet, bottom right hand corner, make sure you hit like and subscribe. We are a custom dealer right here located in the Charleston, South Carolina area. All we do is sell lifted trucks, buy lifted trucks, trade lifted trucks, service lifted trucks. Any upgrades you guys need, we do them in-house. If there's a truck on the car lot that you want to buy and you just can't stand the wheels, you can't stand the tires, or whatever the case is, I'm a fully custom shop, so I can change anything and everything about any of the lifted trucks on my inventory. If you guys haven't seen our latest inventory, make sure you go to our website. Our website, it's DLUXmotorsports.com. So DLUXmotorsports.com will take you directly to our website. We anticipate carrying an average of 30 to 40 lifted trucks at all times. We're making our way there. My company was based out of Virginia. For about 10 years, we moved to the beautiful state of South Carolina, and we are still bringing you some of the same gorgeous, beautiful, well-priced trucks that you will find on the market. Folks, this truck is black. Obviously you can see, you can see all this shit over here, it's black. But I mean, it doesn't show much, it like really doesn't show much. There's not much nicks and scratches and dents and dings. For a black 14, this truck is in extremely good shape. Like that stuff right there is just dirt. But overall, this truck is in fabulous condition. It has a little bit of wear marks here and there, nothing too crazy. Southern truck, no rust. Back seats are still like almost brand new. I don't think anybody sat back here. Definitely no kids. I mean, maybe somebody my size sat back there for a little bit. I don't know. Minimal wear. Driver's seat has a little bit of wear. Not abnormal for a 2014 with 120K. Carpets are pretty clean. Off-road floor mats. AC blowing ice cold. No lights on the dash. No ABS lights, no track lights. No engine lights, none of that dirty shit. Let me give you a shot of the undercarriage real quick. RC, you can see like basic surface. Obviously no like rust. Frame's gonna have some discoloration like that when the factory coating comes off. But you can see there's no flaking rust anywhere. Southern truck, no New York rusty shit. Like that right there, I mean, you can wire brush off and repaint right back over top of. No rust. We like being up front on our trucks. I show you inside, outside, undercarriage, the whole 9 yards. Most people will hide stuff on trucks so that way you guys drive all this way to find them and buy them, and then you're pissed off. Anyway, there's a shot of the rear part of the frame. Again, brand new tires are going on this truck tomorrow. Brand new set of 35 Furies. Again, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys like the video, subscribe. Drop a comment and let me know if you guys like an all blacked out truck. I mean, for me, this truck's only coming in at like 22, 23 grand. I mean, it's got 6-7 grand in upgrades. It's an LT2 truck. It's got good miles still. Motor's perfect. No ticking, no knocking, no nothing. Transmission smooth as butter. Full wheel drive engages like it's supposed to. I took this bastard out in the biggest mud hole we had around the corner, locked her ass in 4 low and gave her hell. She came right out. And that's 100% a joke. But 4-wheel drive does operate like it's supposed to. I mean, look at the reflection. You guys can see the reflection in the background, how beautiful the paint is. Again, 2014 Chevy Silverado. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe, come on now. 14 Chevrolet, 124,000 miles. This truck is coming up for sale tomorrow with a low price, I believe, of 22 or 23 grand. We ship nationwide, folks. Nationwide, wholesale to your door. You live in California, I'll ship you this truck for $1,000 bucks. You live in Florida, 400 bucks. You live in Virginia, North Carolina, like 300 bucks. My shipping prices are unbeatable. If there's any other videos you guys want to see of this truck, make sure you drop a comment. I can take a video, pictures of anything specific you guys want to see as well. Again, it's Mark signing off, Deluxe Motorsports, Ladson, South Carolina, the greater Charleston area. Until next time, next truck, y'all stay tuned. Let's go.